Mango butter, a luxurious gift from nature, is derived from the humble mango seed. This creamy butter is extracted from the kernel of the mango fruit. It offers a mild, pleasant scent and is rich in nutrients. Mango butter is a sought-after ingredient in skincare and hair care. Its versatility allows it to be used in many beauty products. Mango butter is a true champion when it comes to moisturizing the skin. Its exceptional emollient properties allow it to deeply penetrate the skin, delivering intense hydration and nourishment. Unlike some moisturizers that merely sit on the surface, mango butter works its magic from within, restoring moisture balance and leaving your skin feeling supple and soft. The secret to mango butter's moisturizing prowess lies in its unique composition. It is rich in fatty acids, including oleic acid, stearic acid, and palmitic acid, which are renowned for their ability to lock in moisture and prevent dryness. These fatty acids create a protective barrier on the skin surface, preventing moisture loss and keeping your skin hydrated for longer. Whether you have dry, flaky skin or simply want to give your complexion a boost of hydration, mango butter is an excellent choice. Its rich texture glides effortlessly onto the skin, absorbing quickly without leaving any greasy residue. Regular use of mango butter can help to alleviate dryness, soothe irritation, and restore your skin's natural radiance. Time may march on, but mango butter can help your skin keep pace. This tropical treasure is packed with antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, which are renowned for their ability to combat the visible signs of aging. These powerful antioxidants neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage skin cells and contribute to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Vitamin C, in particular, plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and elasticity to the skin, keeping it firm and youthful. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to sagging skin and the formation of wrinkles. Mango butter's vitamin C content helps to stimulate collagen production, promoting skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In addition to its antioxidant power, mango butter also possesses regenerative properties. It can help to promote cell renewal, revealing smoother, more youthful-looking skin. Whether you're concerned about existing signs of aging or simply want to take a proactive approach to skincare, incorporating mango butter into your routine can help you achieve a radiant and youthful complexion. Mango butter isn't just about pampering your skin, it's also a fierce protector. This tropical treasure boasts natural sunscreen properties, offering a degree of protection against the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. While it shouldn't replace your regular sunscreen, it can provide an additional layer of defense against the damaging effects of sun exposure. Furthermore, mango butter possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe and calm irritated skin. It can be beneficial for conditions such as eczema and psoriasis, providing relief from itching, redness, and inflammation. Its gentle nature makes it suitable for even the most sensitive skin, offering a soothing touch to irritated areas. Mango butter protective qualities extend beyond sun and irritation. It also exhibits antimicrobial properties, which can help to keep harmful bacteria at bay. This makes it an excellent choice for those prone to breakouts or acne, as it can help to prevent bacterial growth and promote clearer skin. Collagen is often hailed as the fountain of youth for skin. This essential protein provides structure and elasticity, keeping our skin looking plump, firm, and youthful. As we age, collagen production naturally slows down, leading to the visible signs of aging, such as wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. Mango butter can be a valuable ally in the fight against collagen depletion. Its high vitamin C content plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, stimulating the production of this essential protein. By boosting collagen levels, mango butter can help to improve skin elasticity, minimize the appearance of wrinkles, and promote a more youthful complexion. Incorporating mango butter into your skincare routine can be likened to giving your skin a collagen boost from within. Regular use can help to maintain skin's firmness, prevent premature aging, and keep you looking and feeling your best. Luscious locks. Mango butter for healthy hair. Mango butter's benefits extend beyond skincare, reaching new heights in the realm of hair care. Just as it nourishes and protects the skin, mango butter works its magic on hair, leaving it soft, manageable, and full of life. The rich fatty acid content in mango butter provides deep hydration to the hair shaft, preventing dryness, breakage, and split ends. It forms a protective barrier around each strand, locking in moisture and leaving your hair feeling soft and silky. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, or simply in need of some TLC, mango butter can help to restore its natural shine and vitality. Mango butter's benefits are not limited to the hair shaft. It also works wonders on the scalp. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties can help to soothe an itchy scalp, combat dandruff, and promote a healthy environment for hair growth. Thank you for staying with us. Now, let's delve into the specific benefits of mango butter for black hair. Black hair, with its unique texture and structure, often requires special care to maintain its health and beauty. Mango butter is a phenomenal natural moisturizer that penetrates deep into the hair shaft, providing essential hydration. This helps to combat dryness and brittleness, common issues faced by those with black hair. By keeping the hair well moisturized, mango butter significantly reduces breakage, making your hair stronger and more resilient. Moreover, mango butter is rich in essential vitamins and fatty acids, which nourish the scalp and promote healthier hair growth. Regular use can lead to thicker, longer, and more lustrous locks. Its lightweight nature ensures that it doesn't weigh down your hair, making it perfect for various hairstyles, from natural curls to protective styles. Incorporating mango butter into your haircare routine can make a noticeable difference, leaving your hair soft, manageable, and beautifully radiant. So, why not give it a try and experience the tropical magic for yourself? Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of mango butter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty secrets tailored just for you. See you next time. As we conclude our exploration of the marvelous benefits of mango butter, let's take a moment to recap its extraordinary qualities. From its deep, moisturizing embrace to its potent anti-aging potential, mango butter truly stands out as a gift from the tropics. It offers unparalleled protection, helping to shield your skin and hair from environmental stresses, while promoting youthful radiance. For those with black hair, mango butter provides essential hydration and nourishment, reducing breakage and encouraging healthier growth. Its lightweight, non-greasy nature ensures it fits seamlessly into any beauty routine, enhancing both skin and hair without weighing them down. Whether you're looking to rejuvenate your skin, strengthen your hair, or simply indulge in a natural beauty treatment, mango butter is a versatile and powerful ally. We encourage you to try it for yourself and experience the tropical magic that has been cherished for generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of mango butter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty secrets tailored just for you. See you next time.